Chair exercises for seniors can prevent falls and rebuild strength. And if getting up from a chair has started feeling harder, you're in the right place. More than 1 in every 2 older adults fall each year, and it's often because of a condition called sarcopenia, where muscles weaken from disuse over time. But today, we're going to wake them up. No floor, no pain, no complicated routines, just simple movements you can do right in your chair, starting right now. Before we begin, please check with your doctor, especially if you have any health conditions. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple chair exercises that help rebuild strength, balance, and confidence. These are functional fitness movements, the kind that target the exact muscles you use every day for activities of daily living, like getting up, walking, and reaching. Physical therapists call this resistance training without equipment, and it works. All you need is a sturdy chair. Let's begin. Exercise 1 is the seated row. Sit tall with your chest up and your back straight. Extend your arms forward with your palms facing down. Now slowly pull your elbows back, squeezing your shoulder blades, your rhomboids together. Hold for a moment, then slowly return your arms forward. That's 1 repetition. Repeat this 10 times, moving slowly and with control. You should feel your upper back working. Exercise 2 is the overhead arm raise. Sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly raise 1 arm over your head as high as feels comfortable. This is great for your deltoids and shoulder range of motion. Pause briefly, then lower it back down. Switch to the other arm. Alternate sides for 10 repetitions per arm. If your shoulders feel tight, that's okay. Just move gently and don't force the motion. Exercise 3 is knee lifts. Sit tall and lightly engage your core. Lift 1 knee toward your chest, hold for a second, then lower it slowly. Switch legs and repeat. Do 10 repetitions on each side. This movement strengthens your hip flexors, the iliopsoas muscle group, and improves proprioception, your body's sense of balance and position, which is important for staying steady as you walk. Exercise 4 is leg extensions. Sit tall and hold the sides of your chair for support. Extend 1 leg straight out in front of you, flex your foot and hold for 3 seconds. Then lower it slowly. Switch legs. Repeat 10 times per leg. You should feel this in the front of your thigh, your quadriceps muscle, the muscle that helps you stand up and climb stairs. Exercise 5 is the seated twist. Sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Gently twist your upper body to one side and look over your shoulder. This rotates your thoracic spine and improves your range of motion. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then return to center. Repeat on the other side. Do 5 repetitions per side. Move slowly and breathe normally throughout the movement. That's it! 5 simple exercises in less than 10 minutes. The seated row for your posture, the overhead arm raise for your shoulders, knee lifts for your hip flexors and balance, leg extensions for your quadriceps strength, and the seated twist for your flexibility and spinal mobility. If you found this helpful, please like the video so more people can see it, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and leave a comment below telling me which exercise felt the best for you today. I read every single one. See you in the next video.